guys, today we've got this Kawasaki Ninja 2011 ZX1000 in for dismantle. Sign's all pretty good. It's been dropped on the right side very lightly. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's been kept in the garage for most of its life. Some of the panels are a little bit faded. Everything else seems to be okay though. So there's a little drop on this side. Heated grips. You can see that there's a bit of discoloration on the dash. 36,000 Ks, a bit of discoloration on the dash. Front and rear wheels all spin truly. This one's been taken for a test ride and rides quite nicely. A little damage on the indicator here. Bit of bent brake lever as well. Hole and shot. It's got a twin akrapovic exhaust, carbon tips, tail tidy, nice seats, Luminoto seats. This one is due for dismantle next, and all the parts will be available on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com. Beautiful bikes in a day. Excellent guys, thank you for that. All parts on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com. Cheers.